Hey friends, I have been making my own laundry detergent for a couple years now, and I love how simple, affordable, and effective it is. Let me show you how you can make it too. Just 3 ingredients, no unnecessary chemical, and fresh, clean clothes every time. Plus, I will share some tips on why Zote soap is a great choice for laundry. Store-bought detergents can be full of fillers, artificial scents, and irritants. This homemade version is gentle on the skin, works great for everyday laundry, and costs way less per load. So this soap is known as its natural cleansing power and mild, fresh scent and perfect sensitive skin and removing top stains. First, take 1 bar of Zote soap and grate it. I have been using both pink and white soap, and they both work great. You will end up about 2 to 2.5 cups of shaving. If you want a finer texture, a food processor works too. Zote is made from natural ingredients like coconut oil and tallow, which help break down the dirt and grease easily. But you can use whatever you like. Just make sure that it's a bar of soap, not a liquid. Next, washing soda. This is not a baking soda, okay? Washing soda is your heavy-duty cleaner. Now add 2 cups of washing soda. Last, borax is a natural mineral. Borax helps with the odors and soften the water. Add 2 cups of borax. This recipe has kept my clothes fresh and clean for years. Here's a tip. If you want an extra boost for the white clothes, add half a cup of baking soda to brighten them up. Give it a good mix and that's it. Keep in an airtight jar, and a batch like this will last for a long time. If you prefer a scent boost, you can mix it or add a few drops of essential oil for a fresh and clean scent. Choose 1 to 2 tablespoons per load. It works in any machine, top load, front load, even for hand washing. I have been using this for years and it worked great for everything from working clothes to towels. Let's talk about why you should make your own laundry detergent. First, it's super cheap, like way cheaper than the store-bought detergent. Second, it is natural, no harsh chemical. And third, it works great. So, what do you guys think? Pretty easy, right? Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.